What's up, everyone? This is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. We're going to be talking about the Cash App in this video and how you can unlock special offers on your Cash App debit card that will allow you to get some discounts. You want to start off by opening the Cash App up. Then you want to click your balance in the bottom left-hand corner. Once here, you'll see your Cash App card at the top of the screen, right next to your cash tag. Just click on it, and you'll see where it says Explore Offers Instant Discounts. Click on that section, and you'll see the offers that Cash App currently has going on. All you need to do is scroll down, and you'll see some offers for Cash App Pay as well. Cash App Pay is pretty much when you make a transaction on Cash App paying for something, but you're not using the Cash App debit card. If you want to activate one of these offers, all you gotta do is click on it, and it explains exactly what the offer is. 3% off Hulu. It's for one-time use only. Minimum purchase $1, max discount $5, and it expires in 2 days. And it specifies that the transaction has to be completed using the Cash App card. I'm going to click on Add Offer. And the offer has now been added. You'll know that the offer is currently active because you'll see it on this card screen. If you want to remove the offer, just click on it. Then click on the offer and select Remove Offer. It's important to note that you can now have multiple offers attached to your account. As you see, I've also selected the YouTube offer and added it. Once I back out of this, you see 2 offers, one for Hulu and one for YouTube. But that does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit the thumbs up button if you found value in this video. Also, if you want to sign up for Cash App and you haven't done so already, you can do so using the link in the description or in the pinned comment. I'll catch you in the next video, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.